about the math.
About math problems. We're going to use division and multiplication.
Problems. Division and multiplications. So over here, and we have a problem.
Let me read it, please. Okay. Nadia bought 7 notebooks, all costing the same amount from the office supply store. She also bought a pencil for $5. She spent a total of $47. How much did each notebook cost? Now, Matthew, please explain to all our friends from YouTube.
Well, as you see, where's the pencil? Okay. As you see here, since we didn't know how many notebooks there was.
No, we knew.
I mean, we knew how many notebooks there was, but not the cost.
Yeah.
We did 47 minus 5, and that equaled.
Why 47 minus 5?
Because since there was $5 for only one little pencil,
and we knew
and the total amount of dollars was 47.
Right.
So then that equaled 42. After that, we put 42 here. 42 plus 5 equals 47. But that is not the answer. We wanted to know how much did each cost. So then we did 7 divided by 42. And then we knew that 7 times 6 equals 42. That is a 0 down here. And so the answer is 6. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, YouTubers.